Hello everyone, this is your Raunak Ma'am making legal aptitude easier for you, and today I'll be telling you about the Constitution. The Constitution that gives power to each and every organ of the state, gives power to each and every citizen of the country, and is the supreme law of the land. It comprises of 448 articles divided into 25 parts in accordance with the 12 schedules that are present. So, the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949, which is also called as the Constitutional Day, and it was enacted and came in action on 26th January 1950, which we proudly call the Republic Day or Ganatantra Divas. Hope you have understood this. Have a great day, everyone.